Welcome to the 2024 World of Concrete. It's a very, very busy, bustling show, and we are here at ChemCo to deliver you some great new products. We now offer a number of our most popular products in cartridges. So you'll find our 2-to-1, 1-to-1, and this is the list. So please come by and give us a few moments of your time, and we will certainly help you with all of your concrete repair needs, coating needs, and a couple other exciting products.
Hello, my name is Andrew. Welcome to World of Concrete 2024. I'm with ChemCo Systems. Come and visit us at our booth. We have our Model B pump here, and you can come and ask us about our upcoming trainings. We are holding one in February and in March, and possibly one at the end of March. So come visit us at our ChemCo Systems booth, and I'll talk to you more about the Model B pump later.